Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathalan channel. Today we will discuss about a system of equations. It is a third problem in April 2nd JEE problem. Let's look here. Given equation x plus 5y plus 6z is equal to 4. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 7. And x plus 6y plus az is equal to b. It is a given equation. It has a infinity many solutions. Infinity many solutions means their debt values are 0. So here debt values are 0 means you have to check the debt values 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, a. It is one debt value. It is called as a delta value. It must be 0. So 1 into 3a minus 24 minus 5 into 2a minus 4 plus 6 into 12 minus 3. Look here, 3a minus 24 as it is. 3a minus 24 minus 10a plus 20. 12 minus 3, 9, 9, 6 are 54 plus 54. So there is equal to 3a minus 10a minus 7a and minus 24 plus 20 minus 4 plus 50 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 50 by 7, a value. Now find the b value. Delta 1 also 0. It is delta 1 also 0 means 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 1, 6, b. This one also 0. There is equal to 1 into 3b minus 42 minus 5 into 2b minus 7. 2b minus 7 plus 4 into 12 minus 3, 9. 4 into 9. There is equal to 3b minus 10b, 7b minus 7b, and here minus 42 plus 35, 7 plus 36, it is 29. 29 is equal to 0 because delta 1 is 0. So b is equal to 29 by 7. So a value 50 by 7, b value 29 by 7. So look the problem once. Here they are submit the equation 1 and equation 2 because a comma b are solution of a given equation. So submit the value. Y value 50, y means b value 29 by 7 minus x value, x means 50 by 7. 50 by 7 is equal to 3. It is given. LHL minus 3, RHL 3. So not equal. So first as option not wrong. Second option x minus y is equal to 3. X value 50 by 7. Y value 29 by 7. There is equal to 21 by 7. There is equal to 3. So LHS RHS are equal. So option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Our answer is option 2. Next fourth problem. Here they gave the AP series A1, A2 and so on. It is AP. G1 is equal to A1 and A1 is equal to A2 plus G2 is equal to 1. Means A1 is 1. A1 is 1 and that the common difference D you can take 1 plus D second term and so on. It is AP. Third term 1 plus 2D. And here G1, G2, G3 are GP. G1, G2 and so on. It is GP. Now it is A1 is equal to G1 means A1 1 means G1 also 1. The ratio, common ratio R. So R, A2, G2 is R and so on. It is GB. So now we need the A2 plus G2 is equal to 1. A2 plus G2 and 1 plus D. A2 plus G2 is equal to 1 and 1 plus D plus R. 1 plus D means A2, G2 means R. There is equal to 1. It is given. 1 will cancel. D plus R is equal to 0. D is equal to minus R. It is the given. Next another relation A3 plus G3 is equal to 4. A3 plus G3 is equal to 4. A3 means 1 plus 2D G3 means R square is equal to 4 is minus R. Submit the equation 1 plus 2 into minus R plus R square minus 4 is equal to 0. So the equation R square minus 2R minus 3 is equal to 0. So R is equal to 3 and R is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 not satisfied. So R is equal to 3 is the right answer. R is equal to 3. We need A10 plus G5. A10 is equal to 90. There is equal to 1 plus 9 into D value minus R means minus 3. There is equal to minus 26. And G5 is equal to R power 4. There is equal to 3 power 4. There is equal to 3 power 4 means 81. So you need A10 plus G5 is equal to A10 value minus 26 and G5 value plus 81 is equal to 11, 5, 7 to 5, 55. The answer is 55. So option 4 is the right answer. Next problem, fifth problem. Here find the Tn. Tn is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on n cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on n terms. There is equal to, it is a sum of cube terms, n into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and it is a sum of the odd terms n square. Now there is equal to n square n plus 1 whole square, n square plus 2n plus 1 whole by 4n square. N square will be cancelled. There is equal to n square 2n plus 1 by 4. We need sigma of Tn. Sigma of T8 we need. Sigma of, first find the Tn. We need sigma of Tn. There is equal to sigma of n square plus 2n plus 1 by 4. So we know the sigma of n square means the formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole by 6 and plus sigma of n terms 2 into n plus 1 whole by 2 plus sigma of n times of 1 n whole by 4. So there is equal to n is equal to 8. Submit here. 8 into n plus 1 9 into 2n plus 1 17 whole by 6 into 4 plus 2 cancel. N into n means 8 into n plus 1 9 by 4 plus n by 4. N means 8 by 4. There is equal to 2 3 0 4 0 4 will be cancelled. 3 3 0 17 3 0 51. Next 4 1 0 4 2 0 18. 4 1 0 4 2 0 plus 2. There is equal to 10 71. The answer is 71. Next problem, sixth problem. Look here. 30C 30 minus R plus 3 into 30C 31 minus R plus 3 into 30C 32 minus R plus 30C 33 minus R is equal to MCR. What is the M value? Look here, if you observe here, write as a 30C 30 minus R, 3C naught plus 3C1 30C 31 minus R plus 3C2 30C 32 minus R plus 3C3 30C 33 minus R. Now if you observe it, so the sum is 33. So there is equal to M is must be 33. So 33 CR. 33 CR means R value, it must be R is equal to 3. It is possible. 33 3. There is equal to 33 C 33 minus 3. 33, that is equal to 33 minus C 30. So here m value is the 33. M value is the 33. This problem, Pn denotes the total number of triangles formed by joining vertices n sides to regular polygon. So the Pn plus 1 minus Pn is equal to 66. Then the sum of the distinct prime divisors of n. Look here, Pn is equal to the number of triangles formed by regular polygons. It is the NC3. NC3, you have to select the three points. It makes a triangle. So by this way we will get the formula NC3. Here they gave the Pn plus 1 minus Pn. Pn plus 1 minus Pn means n plus 1 C3 minus NC3. So the expansion n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 3 into 2 minus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2. This is the expansion. Now take the common n into n minus 1 by 6. You will get n plus 1 minus n plus 2. n will be cancelled. It is 3. So 3 2s are. So the formula n into n minus 1 by 2. So it is n into n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 66. 2 center side, n into n minus 1 is equal to 132. The 132 you have to write the 11 into 12. So the bigger value n is equal to 12. The answer. The prime factors of 12 is equal to 2 into 3. So 2 comma 3 are prime factors. The sum of the prime factors 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. The answer is 5.